going to show you what to focus on for your first chin up, because it's not easy and you're probably going to fail a few times. That's okay. Just keep going. Eventually you'll get it. And I'm going to help you out to kind of give you some pointers on what to focus on. So you've worked your way up. You've built your back muscles. You've strengthened your back muscles. You strengthened your core. Now it's time to do the first chin up. So we're going to get in position. Now I like to just jump up and grab the bar. If you don't want to do that, totally fine. Same thing. Get a bench, get a chair, get a box to help assist you on the way up. Even though I'm pretty short, I do have some long arms, so I know a lot of clients are pretty short, so they got to step on something, so no worries to get that. So you want to make sure that you're in position, okay? Now, from here, we're going to start at the bottom and just hang, all right? Again, remember, we don't want to be swinging back and forth. That's going to make the movement a lot harder. We want to make sure that we're nice and stable, okay? We're nice and straight. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually think of bracing my core. So I'm going to think of somebody punching me in the stomach, and I'm going to brace and for impact. Like somebody's going to punch me, and I'm like, ah. So brace your core, and I want you to think of straightening your legs, okay? What that's going to do is that's going to help kind of create like a pencil, you know, almost like you're doing a pencil dive when you're diving off the dive board, and help you kind of stay stable in one straight line, which is going to make the movement a lot easier. It's going to actually make you a lot stronger. So I'm going to squeeze my butt, brace my core, somebody's punching me in the stomach, straighten my legs. And from here, I think this is the most underrated tip. Rather than think of just starting to pull yourself up, I want you to be explosive with it. So on this bar, I want you to think of ripping the barbell, or excuse me, the chin-up bar off this bar, right? I want to be explosive with it. So if we're explosive, we're going to be a lot stronger, we're going to produce more force, and we're going to be able to get ourselves up a lot easier. Because remember, the bottom of a pull-up is the hardest portion. So if we can get past that hardest portion, it's going to be much easier from there, all right? So being explosive at the bottom helps a lot with that, all right? So I'm in position, okay? Bracing my core, squeezing my glutes, straightening my legs. I'm going to think of ripping the bar out and pulling the bar to my chest. So ripping the bar out the bottom, pulling the bar to my chest. Boom, now I got it. I'm going to lower myself down all the way. Okay, we don't want to stop short. And I'm going to repeat. Rip the bar out, lower myself down. So notice how explosive I was with that. Now, just because you're trying to be explosive doesn't necessarily mean you will look explosive yet. It might be a struggle. It probably will be a struggle, to be honest with you, and that's okay. Okay, so it's probably gonna look more something like this. Pull yourself up, fight, 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 pull, 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 pull. Boom, you get it. That's probably what it's gonna look more like. So the most important part when you're getting your first pull-up, there's a point of no return where you're like, oh my God, I don't think I can get it, but you can get it. You just gotta push through that point, okay? So usually that point is about midway through, okay? So here, it's that sticking point. That's when I want you to fight the hardest. Pull, 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 pull. Even if you feel like you can't get it, keep going, keep going, keep going. Boom, boom. And once you get past that point, you gotta fight, and you'll realize, oh my God, I can do this. I got this. And you keep pulling yourself up, and eventually you get up to the top. And my friend, you just got your first chin up.